Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about 5 ways to protect your confidential data during due diligence with an online data room. Let's go. Choose the right data room provider. When choosing an online data room provider, it's important to select one that offers robust security features and a good reputation. Look for a provider that uses industry standard encryption and authentication protocols and that has a proven track record of protecting customer data. Organize your documents carefully. Before uploading your documents to the data room, take some time to organize them carefully. This will make it easier for authorized users to find the documents they need. And it will also help to prevent unauthorized users from accessing sensitive information. Set up user permissions carefully. Once you have uploaded your documents to the data room, you need to set up user permissions. This will control who has access to what documents and what they can do with them. Make sure to only grant access to unauthorized users and only grant the level of the access that is necessary. For example, some users may only need to view certain documents, while others may need to download or print documents. Track user activity. It's important to track user activity in your data room to identify any suspicious activity. This can help you to prevent a data breach before it happens. Most data room providers offer activity logs that show who has accessed your documents and when. You should review these logs regularly to identify any unusual activity. Then have a plan in place in case of a data breach. Even if you take all of the necessary precautions, there is always a risk of a data breach. It's important to have a plan in place in case of a breach so that you can respond quickly and effectively. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can help to protect your confidential data during due diligence with an online data room. Online data rooms can be a valuable tool for streamlining the due diligence process, but it's important to take steps to protect your data from unauthorized access. That's it. Hope you'll understand this topic. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.